Hi, I'm Tom, and I just got off the Blizzard Regulator. I'm gonna give this thing 5 out of 5 stars. This ski is just, it's super enjoyable to be on. It's kind of their freestyle, all mountain type ski, 94 underfoot. It rails a turn, it's super playful, it skis switch really great, it's got a lot of pop, it's smearable, it's just a fantastically versatile ski. So if you're a solid intermediate and upward looking for something that's got a little bit of a freestyle feel but just does everything really, really well, this is the ski.